Good day, class. So today I'm going to pre-record my screen. This is going to be our sharp class today. We're going to learn how to execute orders on MT4 or MT5, but let's focus on MT4. How do we execute orders? That's what matters. So this is the trade. Of course, the trade that's closed for the week is a Friday for Forex. Then you want to execute an order. You hit the plus symbol at the top right side of the screen. Top right side of the screen. You hit it. Okay. When you hit that, you see market execution. Okay. If you want to buy this market, you just click on buy. If you want to sell this market, you just click on sell. But first, you have to choose your lot size. Depending on the lot size you want to use, is it a mini lot? This standard lot? These are mini lots, or is it a micro lot? Whichever one you choose, you put your buy, you put your sell. When you do that, these positions is when you see the red line on that, it means stop loss. This is where you put your stop loss, and this is where you put your take profit. Okay, so I cannot execute an order because this is already a weekend, so it's not going to place that order for me. So normally this order would have been placed, the market has closed, so I can modify this one. So this is a sell, so I can click on it and click on modify. When I click on modify, I can add a stop loss here. This is where I want my market to stop in case I am making losses. Okay, and then this is the buy. This is where I want my market to actually take profit. This is where I want it to leave the market when I'm in profit, and I can institute it here. How do you do that? Very simple. I've done that. You go to the chart, get your moving average, know your price. For example, this market is being sold, so I said okay, this is where I want to take my profits. You pick 1.26200, 1.26202, and then you go and put it. How do you do that? Makes it easy for you. Get a horizontal line, place there, hold the horizontal line, go and copy it, go to done, go there, modify, place it. Okay, this take profit actually, so I've placed my take profit. You see, I can modify it, but it was the market has closed. Then of course your stop loss, I say okay, if the market comes back here, take me out of it. I use my moving average to pick the price. I get my 2, and I move it down to that place. Click and hold, use the pencil, copy the point, it's a price, and then I go back, modify it, go to modify, and then I put it in the stop loss, and then I put it in the stop loss. Okay, when I put in the stop loss, I can modify. So you can watch this video over and over and over again as much as you would require. Then of course we have market execution. Market execution, for example, you want to execute a trade, and you want it to happen while you are not available or you're indisposed. You can do market execution. It's buy limit. If buy limit doesn't work, use buy stop. We have sell stop. If sell limit doesn't work, use sell stop. So for example, we are doing sell limit. Okay, sell limit, the first thing you put is your price. How do you know your price? Simple. Okay, the first price I want to use is, okay, I want the market to sell when it gets here. You say, okay, I want this market to sell when it gets here, and I click on it, get the thing, take the points, want the market to sell. I go back here, click on that sell limit, because I want to place an order so that when it gets there it automatically sell, and I put paste. So at this, when the market gets to this price, you automatically sell. Of course, you can also put your stop loss and your take profit. Same thing with buy limit. Okay, I say okay, if this market gets here, I want to buy. You take it out, pick it up, pick the point, copy, go here, click here, and then execute a new order actually, and say sell buy limit. So if the market get to this price, let it buy, and then you put your stop loss and also your take profit. If you don't understand what we just said now, you can always revert back to me and I will explain further. Thank you.